Hey friends, if you wish to delete junk files on your system, a question is what all can you delete safely? Okay, so I have already explained how to use disk cleanup in a previous video, but the question is what all can you delete in disk cleanup? Okay, so if you want to clean up system files, you can do that very easily, not a problem. It will clear device driver packages and Windows update files, and they will rebuild itself because that's not a problem. But let's talk about these files at the top. So what about these? Now, as for Windows Defender antivirus, it does not delete the antivirus itself, it deletes the cache. So let's say a file was quarantined or something, but it's taking a lot of space, so that will show here. Then I usually delete them. I don't, why would I want any sort of virus in my system unless it was very specific to a software for which I wanted a file that has been deleted. Okay, the next one is downloaded program files. No, we don't need that. And temporary internet files. Now I'll tell you what internet files are. Do you know cache and cookies on browsers like Microsoft Edge, Firefox, and Chrome? This is what temporary internet files are. So I usually delete them because they will rebuild themselves. Windows error reports and feedback diagnostic. I will definitely check this one. Why? Because this is the error reports that my system is sending to Microsoft by itself. It's not that I am sending the feedback, they are collecting my feedback. So if you want to give your little contribution towards improving Microsoft, then you can keep this, but I would say no, there's no point in keeping this. Now DirectX shader cache, yes, you can delete it because it will definitely build itself. Okay, then delivery optimization files. Now if you notice, they use the highest percentage of system resource. In some cases it can go up to 2 to 3 GB, and I have seen 2.16 GB before deleting it. So this is what occupies the maximum space. I'll come to this later. Now, as for device driver packages, it's not about the drivers itself, it is about the cache associated with it. So I'm going to delete it anyway. Language resource files. Now, it may seem that we really need language resource files, but it doesn't. It's just cache associated with them. As for recycle bin, again, it is carrying a major chunk of the files, which is 332 MB. So be very careful while deleting it. And temporary files, and these are the ones in the temp folder. I cannot use them anyway. System recovery log files. Okay, if you are going to delete this, then you will kind of delete the recovery point that you have created. So I am not going to delete the last one, system recovery log files. I am not going to delete these. Thumbnails, yeah, the thumbnail cache, I want to delete it because it keeps my thumbnails healthy. So in this list, there are three things that I have not deleted yet. The delivery optimization files. Okay, let me explain what this is by showing it online. Delivery optimization files. Okay, so these are a cloud-based downloader to download files, updates, apps from the store and other products. Okay, to get these files onto your system quickly and reliably, delivery optimization identifies the best source for your download. So ideally it will use a lot of memory on your system, but I advise keeping it for the moment if you have sufficient memory. If you really want to free up space and it is occupying like 2 GB something, then you can delete it. And as for recycle bin, you know what the recycle bin is, yeah, right? Whenever you delete any file or folder or application, anything on your system, it doesn't get deleted immediately. It goes to the recycle bin and then you can recycle it. So be very careful while deleting the recycle bin. But I say, yeah, okay, delete it. Not a big thing. System recovery log files, I never delete this. Okay. And you should never delete this. If you want to get rid of a partition, then you can do it from the recovery manager itself. Okay, and then you can click on OK, and then you can click on delete files, and it will start deleting the files. And this actually frees up a lot of space. Like if you don't have space at all, think about it. If you have deleted the recycle bin and the delivery part, the delivery optimization files, you're clearly freeing up many GBs of space. This will solve the problem in a lot of cases. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel And if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.